Hayati,
My name is Shafina Rosa.
and today we are going to discuss our topic about implicature and pragmatic value. And I will do it first. Based on my understanding, implicature is a meaning or inference that is not directly said but understood from the context. So it is when you can suggest or infer it beyond the literal meaning. And implicature divided into two types. The first one is conversation implicature. It is when you say something and you actually understand the meaning because of their context in that sentence. For example, she flops on the couch and then cried after counting only $1 she had before Christmas. So we know the implied meaning. It is she said because cannot have enough money to give a Christmas present. So it is not directly said that she doesn't have money, but we can understand from the context. And the second type of implicature is conventional implicature. Conventional implicature is an extra meaning that is doesn't important that is true or false, and implicature doesn't need the context. For example, Clover is a Labrador retriever, but she is friendly. So from the sentence we know that Clover is a retriever and she is friendly, but actually we cannot consider the Labrador can be friendly. So in this sentence we doesn't need a context, but we know the contrast because of the word but. So the differences between the conversation and conventional implicature is conventional need a context and conventional doesn't need a context. And the next one is about cross-cultural pragmatic. Cross-cultural pragmatic is study of the meaning of a language based on cultural or social. For example, is in Japan, someone tends to be not directly to reject something, but in America, someone can directly say no to say something, and it is not rude. And the last material is about pragmatic failure. Pragmatic failure is when someone says something that is grammatically correct, but maybe it is not important or strange or impolite by other people. For the example, maybe someone from Indonesia, when they in English say "give me a salt," so it is something impolite because someone in the UK usually use word like "could you pass me the salt, please?" So it is more polite. I think that's all my understanding.
Okay, I think I have different view with you, Shifa, but we are in the same way actually. So the first thing that I would like to say to you guys is about implication. Implication is when we want to say something, but the listener know what does it mean behind the word more than the actually says. It's like the listener know from based on the context. So the implication have two types, like Shiva said before. The first one is conventional implication, and the next one is
Conversational.
Conversational and conventional. In the conversational has two types. The first thing is generalized and the second thing is particularized. If I'm not mistaken, generalized it means we don't need
Special context.
we don't need special context, and the particular is we need the context. So that's the difference. And the conventional is, I don't really remember about that, but yeah, I think I have the same point with Shiva. And then I have pragmatic value, and then in this pragmatic value it means sometimes we don't understand what people say. It doesn't mean it's because grammatically error, but maybe they put the wrong words in the sentence, so we get confused what does it mean. And then pragmatic value have two types also. The first thing is about pragmalinguistic value, if I'm not mistaken, and so it means when we put the wrong words or phrase in a sentence, or we use the wrong words to describe something. And the next one is about socio-pragmatic value. Like you said before, is about when the speaker or the listener doesn't understand about the culture in the area. Yeah, I think that's all. So, but I didn't read about the what do you call socio cross culture.
Cross-cultural pragmatics. And it is just only how people understand each other based on cultural. Maybe there is something that polite in one region, it is not polite in other.
I think it's the same with this is your pragmatic value.
Yeah.
And then what else?
And I just understanding is complete.
Basically, in this material, we learn about we understand what people say more than what they actually say, and then we learn about the pragmatic value when we use the wrong word in the sentence or the wrong phrase, so people get confused what we are talking about. Actually, we have one more participant in our group, but
But it's not online.
he's not coming. I don't know. Maybe he's sick again or something.
Maybe have another work.
So guys, tomorrow we have exhibition in our department. If you don't
You
mind,
come?
if you don't mind, please come and buy our product.
Are you sure they want to go to our exhibition?
You have to go.
I think that no one watch our video
I
except
don't care.
Hanafi.
At least I will do the promotion.
Okay.
Do you think Mr. Hanafi will come?
Yes, I think because in iLearn it said that is 19th of May, so I think it's coming. And there are also a submission for group presenter, so the group presenter has to come to class
You know, I almost forgot to submit my reading report because I thought it was on Thursday. On the next Thursday, I mean.
I think so, but while I check our iLearn, I look I open English semantics and pragmatic. So I look the submission is yesterday. So I told you in the group, in our group.
I did let submission around 1 hour.
But still can submit it.
Yeah, I think it's until this morning, 8, 8
past
or
10.
10.
10 past 10, yes. What do you think which group that we're representing today?
I think
Naura's group?
Naura's group.
Yes, I think so. I think I heard they are talking about their product, maybe for exhibitions or
I want to buy anything in our department.
what?
I want to buy their product.
Oh, other product.
I want to taste. It's like, oh, is that good or not? And we're confident enough to sell our product.
Yes. Let's be confident.
Do you know a movie named Corpse Bride?
Right now.
It's about-
I haven't heard.
It's about not animation but Disney, I guess. Corpse Bride. Actually, I haven't finished
It's
the
a
movie.
it's a new movie.
No. It's old. It published in 2005.
2005. But I haven't heard before. I like Disney film, but I doesn't.
I don't
heard
think it's
before.
Disney, but
Yes, I don't think
like,
it's Disney. Yeah, but fantasy film.
hmm,
About what?
about the bride. A bride.
What the bride doing in that film?
Actually, there are a kingdom. There is a kingdom, and there is a queen, and also, oh no, princess and prince, and their family want to engage each other. Their son and their daughter, but suddenly their son have trouble in their church. Do you get it?
Yes.
And then the prince run into the forest and practice their speech or their maybe it's like a promise between the bride, you know, in the church. We have to say a promise. And then the prince practice in the forest, and they do, and he do it. What do you call? Clearly or something without any mistake. And then he put the ring on the what do you call? In the tree, but they have tree and they have
Yes, I know.
yeah what do you call that? I know how to spell that. And then he put the rings on that,
So he married with a tree.
He just want to practice. He just want to practice at the first
He's
time.
actually said
Yeah,
that
he said the
from
promise, and then suddenly, the ghost comes, and she said, "I do" with the promise. So it means they're married to each other.
So he married with a ghost.
Yeah, a ghost, and the ghost,
Wow.
and the ghost wearing a dress like the married dress.
Wow. I think I must watch that movie. It's kind of interesting.
Yeah, you have to watch it.
But what happened in the girl in the story?
I haven't finished that. About
It's
the
a
bride,
series?
the ghost bride. No, it's movie.
About the girl that he want married before.
About the prince go to the actual bride. What do you call the actual princess?
Yeah.
And then I just watched until that. But the background behind the ghost bride is about she was the princess, the beautiful princess in their village or in their kingdom, and then she want to marry with the guy, the handsome guy, but he doesn't have any money. He doesn't have any something that you know. And then their family doesn't give their doesn't allow them to marry each other, and then they decide to run marriage,
Oh
run
yeah.
marriage, you know. But the ghost bride run from their kingdom, from her kingdom, and wait for the guy, but the guy doesn't coming. So she just sit under the trees until the midnight. So, but the guy doesn't coming at all. And then the robber
Yeah. What? Robert?
coming and kill her. And then when she wake up, she already a ghost.
It's interesting. Do you want to marry with a ghost?
You know, you just want to practice in the forest, and suddenly you have a wife and a ghost.
I think it's not difficult to find partners. So you can just go into the forest and you can find your wife or your husband. But it doesn't life. What about you, Aja? Do you want to marry with ghosts? Maybe when you're hopeless romantic.
That's a silly question, you know. Who wants that? You want?
No, I don't. Watching movie is interesting.
Did you get your breakfast?
What?
Did you get your breakfast?
Yes, my sister made me a noodle. Because yesterday she's angry at me, so to what?
To solve the problem.
No,
To
to make an apologize, she cooked me a noodle.
a noodle in the morning for the breakfast.
Yes, I don't know. Because in our boarding home, it is no other food. But it's okay. At least I'm not hungry in our class today.
I feel envy for you.
you having breakfast today?
No, I haven't.
Why?
Because there's no any food in my house. I think I have to buy it, at least the bread for my breakfast.
After this class, you can buy something. What about today? Are you going to practice drama again?
Yeah, like usually 30 past 4.
So do I, but I think I'm gonna be late because I have to go to the hospital because my friends have an operation today. She get accident and has operation has one skull forehead. Then she needs a support, so I accompany her while
Their parents didn't come.
yes, friends, of course, they are still come, but yeah, sometimes friends need a support from her best friend.
Do you think I'm fat?
No, you didn't. Why you think like that?
Many people say I'm fat, and they said you have to diet. Like, okay, I know. Could you please shut up? That's none of your business, okay? That's my body. Okay.
Yeah, it's your values.
I need eat. I need food for making me still alive.
Of course. Don't understand what our people say. Just be what you want to be.
But I think my chick is too chubby.
But it's cute. I like chubby chicken. Make our more cute. Yeah.
It's almost 11. And I think he will come around 5 minutes. And our video still 20. Is it okay?
Yeah, I think it is okay. At least we submit our video.
What they're talking about.
I can hurt. Really.
You know, guys, many of our friends didn't come today.
And we don't know because of what.
I think they are too lazy or something.
Yes, I think our class is the most lazy class
Yeah,
in
yeah.
our I don't know why. But sometimes I feel lazy too because people around me is lazy. Do you feel that?
Yeah, because you know the vibes is connection. No, not connection. What? Spread. Spread.
Yeah.
So you have to wisely choose your environment, guys. You said about your sister before. So
What?
it means your sister in this university also?
Yes, in this university in last semester, 8th semester.
What is their major? What is his major?
Administration, public administration. And she is doing his scripture
Thesis.
thesis. Thesis while he also do other job part time in a cafe.
As a barista?
No, but
Waiter?
the cafe have a library, so she in the library.
What's the name of the coffee?
Stefa in Citeba. You know that?
No, I don't know. So there is a library?
Yes, you can buy a book there, or you can freely read the book there, but you can bring it into your home.
Sounds interesting.
It's interesting. You can read what.
Have you come?
Yes, I have come once, and there is so many books. I think you must go there because it's interesting place.
Yeah, I noted.
And maybe in the last of our semester, maybe in 7 or 8, I will do a part-time like she, because I think it's interesting. You can make your own money while you still study in university.
Do you watch A Man Called Otto?
No,
So what any movie that you have watched?
I have watched like Marvel movie or Disney movie or like fantasy movie like Harry Potter, that Fantastic Beasts, and also like a dystopian movie like Divergent.
Divergent, I like that one.
Yes, I like Divergent.
What is the name of the main character?
4 and 3.
That they actually
Thomas.
are Thomas what? He's so handsome.
Thomas something. I forget.
Ah, he is so handsome and hot.
Yes.
I forgot his
Like
name.
my type. I think 4 is my type because he's so handsome.
He already have kids, you know.
Yeah, but I mean, he's my type. Not I have a crush on him.
Do you watch Maleficent?
Yes, I love Maleficent.
Angelina Jolie.
Yes, Angelina Jolie is so beautiful. Even she played as a maybe in the first like a devil, but
But she is so beautiful and so cool. And you know the antagonist one is used to be the protagonist, not
Yeah.
like
for the first we saw she as a Beastly as a monster, but after that we saw she is a good mother.
hate the guy. You know, the guy who cut their wings.
Oh yes,
His wing, her wings, I mean.
Aurora Father.
Yes. And I also hate the prince. Like,
Useless.
and Beauty and the Beast,
Yes, of course.
Cinderella.
Beauty and the Beast. The Belle is Emma Watson. I like Emma Watson. She's a good actress. One of my favorite. She also played Hermione in Harry Potter. Do you watch Harry Potter?
No, I haven't watched that.
You must watch that.
But there is so many series.
That's okay.
There are so many series.
And one will have long time duration. What is it called? Maybe 3 hours.
3 hours for one movie?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
3 and 4. Yeah, it's only 4 hours also. Because the film is complicated, have so many details, but not make you bored. I have rewatched maybe about 4 times all the episodes.
Don't know. Just and when he said I'm starving.